We will be doing Eduteria current affairs of the month November and the year 2024. So let's start with it. You can find this PDF on their app. November. Actually, I did this October, but the audio didn't work. So let's start with November. The first topic is AIMS Darbhanga, Bihar's second AIMS. New AIMS in Bihar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for AIMS Darbhanga on 13th November 2024. Second AIMS in Bihar. After Patna AIMS, there will be Bihar's second AIMS. Government approval. 22 AIMS have been approved under PMSSY scheme, including two in Bihar, that is Patna and Darbhanga. We already have one AIMS in AIMS Patna, and the second one has been inaugurated by our Prime Minister on 13th November, that is AIMS Darbhanga. And in the PMSSY, 22 AIMS have already been approved, in which two are from Bihar. Facilities in AIMS Darbhanga, built on 187 acres with 1264 crore investment, 750 bed specialty hospital with Ayush block, medical college 125 seats, and nursing college 60 seats, hostels for doctor and students, night shelters for patients and families. Okay, so the total investment is 1264 crores. We will have 750 bed, 125 medical college seats, and 60 seats in nursing colleges. The important key points are project foundation stone laid for AIMS Darbhanga, that is on date 13th November by our PM. Bihar second AIMS at after Patna, it is the second AIMS in Bihar under scheme PMSSY. It is built on 187 acres with 1264 crore investment, a 750 bed super specialty hospital, Ayush block, medical colleges 125 seats, and nursing colleges 60 seats, hostel for doctor and student, night shelter for patients and family. Let's see the question what it is. When was the foundation stone of AIMS Darbhanga laid? So it was laid on 13th November. मतलब कि just what do we say, a day before Children's Day, 13th November. The second one is Betia Raj Property Bill 2024. The Bihar government has passed a bill to acquire 15,215 acres of Betia Raj land for public welfare. Out of this, 143 acres fall in Uttar Pradesh, while the remaining land is spread across East Champaran, West Champaran, Siwan, Saran, Gopalganj, and Patna in Bihar. So, the Betia Raj property, that is of 15,215 acres, in which 143 falls in Uttar Pradesh, and the remaining is in Bihar, which is in the district of East Champaran, West Champaran, Siwan, Saran, Gopalganj, and Patna, will be used for public welfare. So the question is, how many acres of Betia Raj land has the Bihar government passed a bill to acquire? So it is 15,215. 15 in the starting and 15 at the end. And how many 15s are there? 2. So there's 2. 15 in the starting, 15 at the end, 2 in between. 15 to 15 acres. Next one is BIPEX 2024 Postal Exhibition in Patna. BIPEX 2024, a national postal exhibition, was held at Gyan Bhavan, Patna. A national postal exhibition. Okay, the event took place from 28th November to 30th November 2024. It showcased the history of postal services in Bihar. History of postal services, for which an exhibition was held in Gyan Bhavan, Patna, and the name was Pipex 2024. The exhibition was inaugurated by Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Chief Postmaster General Anil Kumar informed that 20,000 postal stamps were displayed. 153 postal stamp collectors from different parts of India participated. Event Pipex 2024 National Postal Exhibition venue was Gyan Bhavan Patna, held on 28th to 30th November 2024 by Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. So the question is, where was the National Postal Exhibition? What was its name? Its name was BIPEX 2024. What is BIPEX 2024? So it is a postal thing, National Postal Exhibition. Where was it held? Gyan Bhavan, Patna. So when we see BIPEX, we need to remember that it is a National Postal Exhibition. BIPEX, National Postal Exhibition. What is BIPEX? It is a National Postal Exhibition. What is National Postal Exhibition? So which name was, what was the name of it given during the exhibition time in November? So it was BIPEX 2024. Where was it held? In Gyan Bhavan Patna. Who inaugurated it? Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Okay. Next one is Vaibhav Suryavanshi becomes youngest player sold in IPL auction. Okay, so who is the youngest player sold in IPL auction? His name is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Vaibhav Suryavanshi made history by becoming the youngest player ever to be sold in an IPL auction. He was bought by Rajasthan Royals for rupees 1.10 crores on day 2 of the IPL mega auction held at Ambadi AI Johar Arena, Jeddah. He was born on March 27, 2011 in Tajpur village, Samastipur district, Bihar. Achievement Vaibhav Suryavanshi. What is his name? Vaibhav Suryavanshi becomes the youngest player ever sold in IPL auction. Which team bought him? Rajasthan Royals at the price of 1.10 crores, 1.10 crores. Auction venue was Abadi AI Johar Arena, Jeddah. His date of birth is in the year 2011. So he is now almost very young age, like 2011, 22 and 25, 3 and 10, 13 or 14 years old he is now. He belongs to Samastipur. Why did Vaibhav Suryavanshi? His name is what? Vaibhav Suryavanshi. सूर्य बहुत कम टाइम पे निकल जाता है, मतलब कि सुबह सुबह जल्दी निकल गया, तो सुबह सुबह जल्दी वो 13-14 साल का बच्चा जल्दी से ख़रीदा गया कितने रुपए में? तो 1 करोड़ 1.010 करोड़ रुपीज़ में कौन ख़रीदा? तो राजस्थान रॉयल्स. कहाँ पे? जिद्दा में हुआ था उसका ऑक्शन. So why did Vaibhav Suryavanshi create history in IPL auction? Because he is the youngest player ever to be sold. Next is Janjatiya Gaurav Divas celebration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Jamui, Bihar to celebrate Janjatiya Gaurav Divas on the 150th birth anniversary of tribal Birsa Munda. So Prime Minister himself visited which place? Jamui in Bihar. Why? To celebrate Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Who is related to this? Birsa Munda. He 150 years of his birth has been celebrated. His birth anniversary. Who's? Birsa Munda. Where? Jamui, Bihar. What is the name of the celebration? Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Highlights: new house for tribals. 11,000 houses were given to tribal families under the PM Janman scheme. Which scheme? PM Janman scheme. Which scheme? Janman. Because उनका मन लग गया था उनसे, इसलिए Janman. Mobile hospitals. 23 mobile medical units (MMU) were launched अंडर द पीएम जनमन, मीन्स ट्राइबल के लिए जितने भी अच्छे अच्छे चीज़ हो रहे हैं वो सब पीएम जनमन के अंदर आ रहे हैं. एंड 30 मोर अंडर द धरती स्कीम. Tribal education and business support. 300 centers started to help tribal sell forest products. Okay, they are helping them to sell their products. 10 new Eklavya model schools open for tribal students. 25 more schools will be built for 1110 crores. Cultural heritage. Tribal freedom fighters museum opened in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so this one is very important, that there a museum has been opened. Where? In Madhya Pradesh. Where? In Madhya Pradesh. Which museum? So tribal freedom fighter museum. Where? In Madhya Pradesh. Tribal freedom fighter museum in Madhya Pradesh. Tribal resource center started. Oh my god, tribal resource center has also been started. Where? In Jammu Kashmir and Sikkim. Jammu Kashmir and Sikkim. Jammu Kashmir and Sikkim. Okay, so म्यूज़ियम किधर खुला है? तो मध्य प्रदेश में. रिसर्च सेंटर किधर खुला है? जम्मू कश्मीर में और सिक्किम में. बेटर रोड्स एंड फैसिलिटी. 500 किलोमीटर्स ऑफ न्यू रोड विल बी बिल्ट. 100 कम्युनिटी सेंटर्स फॉर ट्राइबल will be developed. More tribal hostels. 66 new hostels under PM Janman. 304 hostels under Daj Gua scheme. Daj Gua schemes. Tribal school improved. Sickle cell anemia centers and Anganwadi cell centers upgraded. Special coins and postal stamps. A new coin and stamp were released in honor of Birsa Munda. Why is Janjatiya Gaurav Divas important? It is celebrated every year on November 15th to honor tribal leaders' contribution to India's freedom struggle. The government started celebrating this in 2021. कब से ये शुरू हुआ है सेलिब्रेट होना? तो 2021 से, यानी कि अभी सिर्फ 4 साल हुए हैं इसको सेलिब्रेट होते हुए. अबाउट पीएम जनमन. प्रधानमंत्री जनजातीय आदिवासी न्याय. ओके, न्याय महाअभियान. प्रधानमंत्री जनजातीय आदिवासी न्याय महाअभियान. प्रधानमंत्री, ये तो समझ में आता है. जनजाति आदिवासी न्याय महाअभियान. तो ये शुरू कब हुआ है? तो ये एक जनजातीय गौरव दिवस है. कब होता है? तो 15 नवंबर को होता है. बिरसा मुंडा का बर्थ एनिवर्सरी है वो. और क्या है? फोकस एरिया है 11 क्रिटिकल इंटरवेंशंस थ्रू 9 लाइन मिनिस्ट्रीज डिपार्टमेंट. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? ब्रीच डेवलपमेंट gaps in tribal area by construction of pakka houses, deployment unit, establishment of health and wellness centers, setting up one dhan vikas kendra. Budget allocation rupees 24,000 crores for 3 years. Okay, coverage under the development action plan for scheduled tribes. Event. PM Modi celebrated Janjatiya Gaurav Divas in Jamui, Bihar. 11,000 houses, 23 MMU, 30 MMU Eklavya school. So the two most important thing are that museum has been started for the tribals, like about tribals in Madhya Pradesh and Sikkim. Jammu Kashmir में research वाला शुरू हुआ है. In which district of Bihar was the main event of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas 2024 organized in Jammu? Okay. So the next one is Sharda Sinha passes away. Famous folk singer Sharda Sinha passed away on 5th November 2024 at AIIMS Delhi. She was well known for her songs in Maithili, Bhojpuri, and Magahi, and was called Bihar Kokila, Cuckoo of Bihar. She was born on 1st October 1952 in Hulas village, Supol, Bihar. She learned classical music from Pandit Ramachandra Jha and other teachers. She received Padma Bhushan in 2018 and Padma Shri in 1991. She also won the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for her folk music. Okay, Sharda Sinha, when did she passed? 5th November 2024. She was from which place? Supol in Bihar. Okay, what did she received? She received Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri and also Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Key points: Sharda Sinha, Bihar Kokila. 5th November, Ames Delhi. Birth 1952, 1st October at Supol. Languages: Maithili, Bhojpuri, Magahi. Awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Sangeet Natak Academy. Which renowned folk singer known as the Bihar Kokila passed away on 5th November? So, Sharda Sinha. Next one is cat snake found in Valmiki Tiger Reserve. Okay. A cat snake has been seen in Valmiki Tiger Reserve. This snake stays active at night and rests during the day. Its scientific name is Boiga trigonata. It is mildly poisonous, meaning it does not harm humans but can affect small animals. Where was cat snake recently spotted? In Valmiki Tiger Reserve. What is the scientific name? Boiga trigonata. Trigonometry like trigonata. Next is Khelo India Games 2025. Bihar will organize the Khelo India Youth Game 2025 in April 2025 for the first time. Like now it's going on. This will add Bihar to the Khelo India sports map of the country. Khelo India Para Games will also take place in Bihar, similarly to Summer Olympics. There will be a 15 days gap between the youth game and the para games. The first para game were held in Delhi in 2023, means it is very just 2 years back it has started. Okay, so both the para games and the Khelo India will be organized in Bihar. Khelo India Youth Game 2025 to be hosted by Bihar when in April 2025. Significance: first time Bihar joins the Khelo India sports map. Uh, Khelo India Para Games will also be organized in Bihar. Our first Para game was organized in Delhi in 2023. We need to see the what is the slogan type thing of this. Okay, where will the Khelo India Youth Game 2025 hosted? In Bihar, and the first one 2023 was in New Delhi. Next is Mahila Shamvat program. The Bihar government has approved rupees 225 crores for the Mahila Samvat program. This is an ambitious program where Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, ministers, and top officials will visit district to inform women about the government policies for their empowerment. The interaction program will be conducted at the district and block level, with Chief Minister attending some sessions, while his cabinet colleagues and officials will participate in others. Scheme Mahila Samvat program, approved budget to 25 crores, objective women empowerment through direct communication, led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, conducted at district and block level. Purpose: inform women about government scheme, understand their aspiration and expectation. What is the allocated budget for the Mahila Samvat program approved by Bihar government? 225 crores. So we are done with November. In next video we will be doing of December, and likewise we will be completing till March. Okay, thank you.